Hello everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a blueberry and cheese mousse cake. We will be using the biscuit sponge cake. If you would like to know how I make the biscuit sponge cake, please click on the link below to the video. Here is the recipe for the blueberry mousse and the cream cheese mousse. Before we begin to make the mousse, let's prepare the mousse ring. Wrap the mousse ring with a layer of plastic film. First, we bloom the gelatin powder by adding water to it. Give it a good stir and set it aside for about 15 minutes. Then we prepare the whipping cream that is required for both the blueberry mousse and the cream cheese mousse. In a small saucepan, we put in half of the blueberry puree and 25 grams of sugar. Heat it up to around 45 degrees Celsius. Melt the sugar and then add the bloom gelatin to the warm puree. Stir to dissolve the gelatin. Combine it with the rest of the blueberry puree. Next, fold in 80 grams of whipped cream. Pour the blueberry mousse into the mousse ring that we have prepared earlier. Now get a layer of the biscuit sponge cake and put on top. Press gently. Then we will put the mousse cake into the freezer to freeze it until it is set. So when the blueberry mousse is about to set, we can start to prepare the cream cheese mousse. First, we soften the cream cheese. In a small saucepan, pour in the milk and followed by the sugar and warm it to 45 degrees Celsius to dissolve the sugar. Then add the bloom gelatin to the warm milk and dissolve the gelatin as well. Then add the milk mixture to the cream cheese gradually. Add in the lemon juice and the lemon zest. Give it a stir. And next we can fold in the whipped cream. When the cream cheese mousse is ready, put it into a piping bag. Start from the side of the first layer of biscuit sponge cake and refill half of the cream cheese mousse into the mousse ring. If you want, you can add some store-bought blueberry jam. And then we put in some fresh blueberries as well. Then we put a second layer of the biscuit sponge cake on top and press gently. Freeze the mousse cake overnight until it is completely set. So once the cake ring is removed, apply a layer of neutral gel on top and the side of the cake. So here is our blueberry and cream cheese mousse cake. I hope you like the video and enjoy the cake as much as I do. Remember to subscribe to our channel, Colin Patisserie, for more videos and recipes on entremets and mousse cake. See you next time.